be mine too. By the age of 13 he had laid down his pen and become a coal miner and a prince among men. My goal as a young lad from a bright learning age was to follow my hero down in that cage. Fairy lights and pit ponies were the stuff of my dreams, never thinking how hard my dad worked at the sea. Only a miner killed under the ground, only a miner and one more is found. Killed by accident, no one can tell. Your mining's all over, poor miner, farewell. Like the Trojan, his money to save. I'm afraid that he worked himself into his grave, and my schooling was paid for at the cost of his lungs. Dad was an old man at the age of 41. I never will forget how his face lit with pride when I got my diploma. He was there by my side, and I tried to remember him as he was then, a rare moment of joy for a prince among men. Only a miner killed under the ground, only a miner and one more is found. Killed by accident, no one can tell. Your mining's all over, poor miner, farewell. James Doyle never seen much reward for a life of such toil, but I keep his lamp burning in his old Union car, and his bones rest here in the sunlit graveyard. My dad was a miner and a prince among men, well loved by his wife and his family and friends, and his hardship and toil gave me the one chance I had, and generations of slavery died with my dad. Only a miner killed under the ground, only a miner and one more is found. Killed by accident, no one can tell. Your mining's all over, poor miner, farewell. Only a miner killed under the ground, only a miner and one more is found. Killed by accident, no one can tell. Your mining's all over, poor miner, farewell. He fairly won my heart, wrote me a letter. With his hammer in his hand, he looked quite clever, and if I was with my love, I'd live forever. But where is my love gone, with his cheeks like roses, and his good black peacock gone, decked around with primroses? I'm afraid the scorching sun beauty, and the fibers with my love, I do my duty. Strange news has come to town, strange news is carried, strange news flies up and down, that my love is married. I wish them both much joy, though they can't hear me, and may God reward him well for the slighting of me. Don't you remember when you lay beside me, and you said you'd marry me, and not deny me? If I said I'd marry you, it was only more to try you. So bring your witness, love, and I'll not deny you. Oh, witness have I none, save God Almighty, and may He reward you well for the slighting of me. Her cheeks grew pale and wan, it made her poor heart to tremble, to think she loved the one, and he proved deceitful. Down by Conroy, I met a pretty fair maid upon the mountainside. Says I, my pretty fair maid, your beauty shines clear on this lonely mountain. I'm glad to see you here. Kind sir, she says, be civil in my company forsake, for it is my opinion that you are away. If my father finds out, my anger might be clear. Even on this mountain, see you here. stood here among the trees. Your beauty has ensnared me, I cannot pass you by. Do not be afraid of me up these mountains high. This pretty little fair maid, she fell into a maze, as with eyes as bright as amber upon her I did gaze. Her ruby lips and rosy cheeks, they lost their former dye. She fell into my arms on the mountainside. And what she says to me, let me down. She fell into a maze, as with eyes as bright as amber upon her I did gaze. And her ruby lips and rosy cheeks, they lost their former dye. She fell into my arms upon the mountainside. I had not kissed her once or twice till she came to again. And modestly she asked me, "Pray sir, what is your name? If you go in your forest, my castle you may find. My name as old as history is Renaudine." And now, my pretty fair maid, don't let your father know, for if you do 'twill ruin you and prove your overthrow. And if that you should seek for me, perhaps you'll not be fine. I'll be in my castle in quiet for Renaudine. Her hair was black, her eyes were blue, her lips like ruby wine. And I smiled to gaze upon her, sly old Renaudine. Sun and dark she followed after me, my teeth did brightly shine, as I